Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. In today's video, we will discuss the benefits of RPA. The benefits of robotic process automation are extensive. 1. Maximize operational efficiency. Operational efficiency refers to time, costs, and human resources previously used to complete a task. For an organization to compete in its industry, it's become nearly impossible to succeed without data-driven software to streamline its processes. A primary reason for increased competition in virtually every industry is that they've set up bots to complete tedious tasks nonstop. With the successful implementation of RPA software, employees that originally spent valuable time on manual tasks can use their time on more productive and stimulating activities. RPA not only allows employees to use their expertise on more critical tasks, but it results in a happier work environment. 2. Easy to implement and configure. RPA software is shockingly quick and easy to implement into a user's current informational technology system. RPA software automates by interacting with the existing interface, meaning it doesn't require external or expensive equipment to operate. In addition, the configuration process requires no programming knowledge. For example, many RPA software allows users to drag and drop the already generated code for their desired automation. 3. Fast implementation. The complete implementation and integration process of RPA software depends on the complexity of a user's workflow, with most systems taking between 1 to 6 weeks to fully implement. However, for users requiring complex automation, the implementing process could take up to 12 weeks. 4. Maintain industry compliance. In many industries with RPA software configured to complete the desired task, users report increased compliance with rules and regulations. Since the purpose of RPA software is to complete rule-based, structured tasks that are free of errors, it becomes a powerful and accurate auditing tool. When a user implements RPA software, tools like ZAPTEST are pioneers in the development of full-stack tools that extend RPA functionality to automated testing. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.